Hello, this is Scott Barfield. I'm at 1000 Fort Creek Road out in Saluda. Really unique property. My good friend Howard Harvey has it listed, and it has 2 waterfalls. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath place, but I would say if you're looking for something really special, really unique, it's on a point, and it has 2 creeks. One comes down this side, one comes from the other. They come to a fork down there. And that is, yeah, I mean, if you are bored with real estate, you want something special, this is this property will do it. So let's go in. There's a good bit to cover, so I'm going to move pretty quickly. But like I say, I have a good friend, Howard Harvey. He's a listing broker on it, and just a special place. Yeah, looks like a mountain retreat, the kind of place you'd end up owning and getting away to. Doesn't that feel neat? I thought you'd like that. So I'm just going to wander around a couple times here. Yeah. See why I brought you here? Yeah. There's a room downstairs that is super impressive. Yeah. Take a look. I'll be right back. I'm just covering a few rooms. These videos are never a substitute for actually coming to see the house, but I thought you might like this. Take a look at this master up here. Just the woodwork and the architecture. Isn't that something? And, yeah, lots of little spaces and nooks, and yeah. I'm gonna jump to the to the basement level really quick. Had the most unusual theater down there. I just thought this is what made me want to shoot the video. Take a look at this. The entire place has just the most. Isn't that cool? It was formerly an indoor pool, and he changed it into a home theater. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you liked the video. My name's Scott Barfield. We cover Western North Carolina, looking at really unique properties. If you've got a question about this one, oh yeah, let's see if we can get outside and show you those waterfalls before we go. You can see this. All right, my name's Scott Barfield. I cover Western North Carolina. I have 2 kids in college and 2 getting ready to go off to college. So if you have a question or need something, call. We'll answer our phone. I will call you back. It's what we do. Okay, thank you.